Florida is an icon. It's the beaches, the coastal areas in Florida are so important to the identity of Florida. We have a wealth of unique and valuable natural ecosystems, as well as attractive coastline for residents, for tourists, and it's being threatened. It's beautiful, but it's vulnerable. And so when we see this conflict between dead and dying sea life and human health hazards at the coastline in this otherwise naturally beautiful place, I think it motivates action.
And those coastlines are really diverse. We have everything from some of the largest tracts of undeveloped coastline in the world along the Florida Everglades and the Nature Coast. And we also have some of the most highly developed coastlines.
Florida is ground zero for so many issues at the coast. So sea level rise, we're a low state, we have 8,000 miles of coastline. If we don't address these issues of water quality and continue to have red tide outbreaks and blue algae blooms, we're going to lose the tourism economy as well as the ecosystems that underlie it. The environment is what we use to make Florida livable. And if it's destroyed, that's it. We need to protect the one we have. iCoast is an idea that we can sense things about the physical, chemical, and biological nature of our coastal systems, model them and predict threats to coastal human and environmental health, and do something about it.
UF needs to lead in addressing some of these major issues with water quality and how that's affecting people and ecosystems as well as the economy on the coast. And so in order to get that data, in order to innovate the next generation coastal sensing, in order to have these benefits for the environment and proactive solutions for management of conflicts that might occur, you have to first have the technological resources.
The goal of the iCoast is to monitor our coastal ecosystems, understand how they're changing and why, and be able to inform better management so we can protect them for us and for the future generations.
It's not just the state of Florida. This is a global problem that we're talking about working on. We just have an excellent test bed here in the state of Florida, given our coastal resources, given the dependence of our coastal communities on those coastal resources. Those are fundamental issues that people spanning all socioeconomic classes are facing right now in the state. And University of Florida is the place to do the work.